Capricon solves the problem for big family demands having less cooking space. It has 4 brass burners, 1 triple ring, 1 mini triple ring and 2 double ring burners. The triple ring burners can be used for heavy cooking such as deep frying, boiling, etc. And the double ring burners can be used for moderate to light cooking like making dal, rotis, cooking rice, etc. The black toughened glass base is heat resistant to 200 degrees Celsius, which provides you with not only a sleek look but a durable base as well. The cast iron supports provide you with the perfect stability and support that you require for cooking, ensuring that you have a great cooking experience. Let's recap the USPs of Capricon: brass burners, auto ignition, toughened glass, heat resistant to 200 degrees Celsius, cast iron supports.